Facebook login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in on Facebook, it's actually quite simple, because all you have to do is you can use the facebook.com website, but if you're using on mobile you can also use the Facebook app instead, which I'm sure most of you are going to do. So open the Facebook application over here. Now in order to log into Facebook, you must have created an account on Facebook. So if you have not created an account on Facebook, tap the create new account option over here, fill in all the necessary details such as having a phone number or email address is mandatory, and you will be able to create your Facebook account. Now of course, assuming you have already created your Facebook account, you can just tap the login option over here, and when you tap on the login option, in this case you should be able to go ahead and then basically log in if you have saved your password and so forth. This way you will be able to log in on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.